Some deeper shit, you know. Still a bit of a sore throat. I know you're gonna like this, eh?
Sword Productions.
Just a young lost child with no care for the cops till he had his first son. That's when the crim shit stopped. He had enough of being chased by the pigs in their vans. Thought he had to change up and become a better man. So for his son's sake he got a full-time job. Every day a weekly pay, no more invasions to rob. No more fucking up in life, he just enjoys what he's got. Cause if he didn't leave his old ways he would have been shot. Guaranteed that he wouldn't return to his old ways or act like he used to back up in the old days. Past time out of his mind, sees the tears in his son's face. His son's the only reason that he stays here in one place and stays on the right track, never to go back. Promised everybody he's no longer thinking like that, but he's getting low on cash and tries to make a quick buck. First time he did crime in about 5 years straight. Fucked up and got caught up on security tape. Cops rock up, apprehend him and they take him away. Son sat there screaming, he was like, it's gonna be okay, just sit with mummy, I'll be home by 7:45. But when he got home he found a note saying she was leaving to live on her own. Nobody to blame, the blame was his alone. So we learned from life's lessons, tried to make it right. Became a better person, never to lose sight on what he wants most out of this life, and that's to be there for their children when they need him around. Be there to pick him up whenever they fall down. It takes a man to be a father, not a motherfucking clown. He's looking prison bound. Out.